We have on our list Chairman Kumar. You're recognized.
Oh, thank you, Madam Chair. Representative Freeman, I have great admiration for you for bringing, as you said, a very difficult subject. And again, as has been mentioned, and you have said that also, the personal dimension that you have with the subject. Physicians or healthcare professionals or Tennesseans or church-going people, we are a sympathetic lot. In that sense, you feel sympathy for a person who's so unfortunate and to have reached a point in life that they would consider taking their life. But the other options for them are there, and it's not up to you and I to decide which is the best option for them. And how can any of us not be sympathetic to a person who's towards the end of life with no hope, maybe few months or so much time to live, and they're suffering because of pain or just disappointment with their fate. I've seen those people during my years of practice, and I think sympathy is instantly that it comes to you. Yet, when they have talked to me about this possibility, I've taken a Hippocratic oath. And the oath comes into play, which clearly states that I will not practice or advise what we medically used to call euthanasia. So there is a obligation, and oath is taken to, well, the first words in the oath are, I swear by Apollo, which in 5000 BC was God. I swear to, God plays a big role in this whole dimension. And despite my sympathy towards that person that I'm dealing with, and yet we are struggling with the oath, or what Representative Cheryl said, life is a gift from God, and we have to respect that. Also, the misuse potential is great. We can tell somebody they have 6 months to live, yet we can be wrong. Yes, you have known that, and we have all known where the doctor told me I had so much time to live, and that was not the case. Given these uncertainties, to legally allow end of life, and again, considering the Hippocratic Oath, considering the gratefulness we have to God for this gift that is life, it just is not possible for me personally to vote for this. But again, I admire you for taking the effort. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.